Bad boys always fall for good girls.
'Cause mama, I'm in love with a criminal.
There, that one. That was my child.
You're thinking
I
about
want
the
to
puke.
adopt that one.
I actually think about the puke, no lie.
What do you mean they're unadoptable? Why? Oh, lucky for you, I can't read. Besides, I want them flaws and all. Hi.
Hi.
Ready to come home?
No.
I'm talking to my kids. I don't care how
I
much.
don't want to go.
You're coming home with me.
No, I'm not.
Come on.
No! No, don't take me, no!
Beat that boy with a bat.
Do I got diabetes?
Spent all of the love I saved.
We were always a losing game.
Dude, calm down.
Town boy in a big arcade.
No. Eugene.
Fuck no! I think it is contracted diabetes or something. Yo, I can't feel my blood flowing. I can't feel my heart beating. Am I dead already? Hello? Dude, why is there...